Welcome to Stratus ERP's Inventory module. First of all, we're going to start off by taking a look at some of the setup options within the Inventory module. The system gives you the ability to set up multiple warehouses and multiple locations within warehouse. More than that, you can also set up multiple bins within location. So when you receive your goods, you can put away to specific bins in your warehouse. The system also accommodates unit of measure and unit of measure conversion. You can set up unlimited units of measure and unlimited unit of measure conversions. So very simply, you can convert, as an example, from ounce to pound in the system. The system also gives you the ability in your setup to set up price markups by inventory item. You can mark up your prices by percentage of current price, percentage of cost, amount on current price, or amount on cost, giving you the utmost in flexibility. This system also accommodates warranties and the ability to set up reasons for the return of goods. As mentioned earlier, the system accommodates both kitting and bill of materials. You can set up kits, and you can also set up bill of materials with assemblies where the finished goods will be created and the raw material items will be backflushed upon completion. The system also accommodates color size matrix, where you can set up your items by manufacturer, brand, model, style, color, and size. Let's take a closer look at your Inventory Item Master and all the features within the Item Master itself. First of all, let's pull up one of our inventory items and let's take a look at each of the fields. The item code is a 32-character field, and you also have the capability to set up a code for your UPC code, your manufacturer's item code, and your SKU number. When you receive your goods into inventory or sell your goods out of inventory, you can use any one of these codes and the system will recognize it. The system will also allow you to set up preferred vendors, alternate items when these goods are out of stock, and will allow you to set up a inventory unit code, a purchase unit code, a selling unit code, and a selling unit price. You also have the capability to set up specific pricing for your customers and vendors. So as an example, if you want to give certain customers a break on price, you can set up a customer class for those vendors, which you will assign in the customer master, and when you sell these items through order entry, this special pricing will be displayed for those specific customers. The inventory system gives you the ability to set up many different types of items: an inventory item, a service item, a serialized item, a lotted item, a rental item, a labor item, a non-inventory item, and an item which is for color size matrix. For kitting, you have the option of auto-assembled and pre-assembled. If you select auto-assembled, this is for your kitted items, where basically upon order entry we're just going to package them and send them out the door. If you pick pre-assembled, it will set up the bill of material structure where you can actually create your BOMs and actually assemble your product, and at the completion of the assembly it will backflush out your raw materials and increment your finished goods item. You can track sales yearly, quarterly, monthly, or weekly by inventory item. You can look at your quantities by location, and by location you can see your min-max levels as well as your safety stock or reorder levels. You also have the capability to look at a summary of all transaction history for this item. We can take a look at it quarterly and see the sales amounts, returns, cost of goods sold, profit amount, profit percentage, etc. So it gives you a real good handle of the history for this specific item. You also have the capability to look at your serial lot number history on any item at any point in time. You can track your lotted items either through the sales process or through the purchasing process within this system. That concludes our demonstration of the setup for the inventory module. We will now take a look at how we can enter inventory transfers and inventory adjustments.